Bumper is off, ready to get painted. That's dirt. Got a brand new bumper to go up here. Alright folks, so here's what we're looking at. We got the motor in the car. Yes, now I didn't get the footage of it actually going in because it was starting to get dark, and when I was recording I actually didn't finish that night. I didn't go in the house till about 2 o'clock in the morning. But yes, the motor is in the car, and the harness, got to put that back together, wire that up, connect everything. Of course the radiator has to go back in, the battery, the air intake and the filter. Yeah, just really plugging everything up. And I'm gonna have to rearrange this. There's some things that's crossed up in here, so I was trying to get around it and avoid it, but I'm gonna have to go under the car and disconnect the wires. And this wire right here from the starter, so I can reposition these and get them back in the spot that they're supposed to be. But yeah, we're gonna get started on that. You know what, the first thing that I'm actually gonna do though, we're gonna go ahead and reattach the hood and bolt that back together. So we'll go ahead and get that done first. I think I got it. I'm just lining it up now on this side.
That go like that or go in there?
No, it's gotta come. It's gotta come out.
Oh, that's not a spacer.
No. Let's see. Two.
Great.
They ain't lined up.
Huh?
They ain't completely lined up.
Let's see.
See, now it's lined up. It's just like a screw act like it don't want to go in there right.
Take the bottom one out.
Yeah.
The bottom one right.
Yeah, the bottom one is fine.
Get your little screwdriver.
Right, so we lift up the fuse box and see our main harness wire fits right in there, like so. All those other ones. There we go. And then this will just bolt down right there. Tighten that up. And then there's our starter wires, battery cables. So yeah, everything is going right back together. All right, so when I go to pick up my bell housing bolt, I need these clips. I need I need that bolt or that nut.
For the fan.
I need the 2 bolts that hold the fan shroud, one on each side. And then I need the clips that for the bottom that hold the bumper on to the bottom of the car, the bottom of the underside. All right, here we go. So last we left off, we had the engine and transmission on the hoist and ready to go back into the car, and it was getting dark, so I didn't really get to record all that. So, but this is the end result. Y'all can see the engine is back in the car. We ready to go. We got some oil. We going full synthetic this time with the Mobil 1. So we just got to drop some oil in there, top off the coolant, and this thing should be ready to fire up. So we can go ahead and get that done, and we'll see what happens. All right, y'all, so I felt a raindrop. I just put the oil in, just installed a brand new battery. Let's see, we gonna get the see what happened. We get this first start. So I felt a raindrop. See if we can get this in before this rain come down. Woo-hoo. Sounds marvelous. So I'm gonna give y'all a before and after, but if you remember what it sounded like before, it definitely doesn't sound like that. So I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that is the knock, and this is that sound is why I'm replacing the motor. So we got our donor car, was a 07 GT. This motor has 75,000 miles on it. And she sounds perfect. That sounds definitely not as bad as the last one. But you hear that?